Hi guys, I'm Elsa. No, I'm Vivienne and I'm wearing Elsa's travel costume. Over here is a Play-Doh egg and there is surprises from the new movie Frozen #2. So let's unwrap this Play-Doh and open the egg. There's a lot of Play-Doh on this egg. Oh my gosh, it's so hard. Actually, it's easy. I'm kidding. Come on, Play-Doh, get off this egg. Why you're always staying on it? Come on, take it off. Come on. Come on, why are you not letting me? Take it off. One more Play-Doh. Okay, now it's all off. Now move it right over here. Now open the egg. Okay, let's just open it. Wow, there's so many eggs. Hey, look, we got 6 castles. I know that because I learned. And also there's a bunch of box. And also there is 2 Elsa Frozen #2 Kinder eggs. I want big mashup. Yay! Now let's open this surprise ball. Here's our ball. I'm curious what's inside. Well, we don't know what's inside still because there's a blind bag. Now let's open it. Wow, it is crystal. So this is not a Mashem. It is a plush toy. So that was our first surprise toy. Now let's open the Funko box. There is 12 figures you can collect, and I want Nuck, the horsey. I'm curious if I'm going to get mystical water spirit. I think it is, because they have a tail. Yay! We got water spirit! And I broke his tail. Now the horse is okay. We glue his tail. Now here are 2 surprises. Now let's open Kinder Egg. Now see if we're going to get Olaf or Elsa. Looks like we got a spoon and a surprise, and also instructions. Now let's build it. Who is this? It looks like is Elsa. There she is, just like me. Now let's open another Kinder egg. Let's see if it's going to be Olaf, because it's very cute. There's a spoon again. Now let's open it. Well, I don't know who is this guy, but again, we got instructions. That's what we got, Swan. Now let's build him. We built Swan, and look, he can dance. Woohoo! Splash, That's one silly reindeer. Now we only have capsules left. These are crystals and you can collect the 12 figures. Let's open the first crystal surprise. Now let's open the crystal. Wow, we got some clovers, but we got confetti, but we got Elsa! Yay! And she's dressed like me. And also, she can sit Elsa backwards. Okay, there she is. Now let's open another capsule. And this time, the color of the crystal is dark blue. Now let's see what's inside. Now let's see what's inside. Yeah. Wow! We got the second Elsa. But this time she's different in a purple dress. I'm curious who's going to be in capsule 3. This time the capsule is purple. Let's see what's inside. Now take off that crystal and open it. And again, we got snowflakes and there's a brown bag. Wow! We got the further Elsa and it's light purple. There she is. Now we got all 3 Elsas. I'm curious if I'm going to get new characters. We'll see. Here's crystal and then open it. Who's gonna be? I don't know. Well, it's not a new character, but we got Anna! At least she's new Anna. 2 capsules to go, 2 figures to go. Let's see if we're going to get new characters this time. Here is a crystal and then open it. And we got the snowflakes again. Yay! We got the cutest is Olaf. There he is. There's one more capsule over there. Who's going to be? And again, purple capsule. Let's see if we're going to get Ryder or Matthias or Hannah Marion. Now, let's open the capsule. And we got the leaves again. Who's going to be? Anna. Yay! We do got Anna. But this time, she's in the golden dress or yellow. So we got 2 Annas. So here are my surprises from the new movie Frozen 2. We got Kristoff, Water Spirit, Elsa. The funny reindeer is Sven, and Elsa, another Elsa, and again Elsa. And we got Anna and Olaf and Anna. So we need to look for new characters in next video. So stay tuned. Bye!